Welcome to Time Zone Wizard. My name is Martin, and I built this app to make it easier to schedule meetings with my co-workers in other time zones. I hope you will find it as useful as I have. Let's say I want to schedule a call with Rupert in London. The first column already shows my location, California. Next, I'll type London into the second column. There. Scrolling down, I look for green rows, which show working hours. It looks like 9 a.m. for me and 5 p.m. in London would be a reasonable time. Rupert, I'll make it a short meeting so you can still have dinner with the family. Let's say we would also like Sarah from Cairo to join us. I click Add City, enter Cairo up here. Also, we'd like to meet next week. I click here to set the time to Monday. There's no row that's green for all of us. Maybe we can compromise and meet at 8 a.m. my time, 4 p.m. Rupert's time, and 6 p.m. for Sarah. That's how Time Zone Wizard works. Please send me your ideas for how to improve it by clicking Give Feedback in the upper right-hand corner. Happy scheduling!